Today's an interesting one. We're just going out to Auckland to help out the boys at Auto Stance. Doing one of our clients' cars on an Audi R8. Got the brother over there getting the coffee. Morning coffee run by Ruben. And then we're going to Chrome to do a reveal car that you'll find out later in this video what it's going to be. It's pretty cool. We've done a few of them. Yeah, stick around. Alright, we've arrived at Auto Stance, Audi R8 here. That's just in for the detail before Chrome, for a good client of ours, Richard. So yeah, let's get cracking into it. Just doing the wheels, exterior, then gonna go into the interior, get it all looking slick. For the wheel cleaning, what we use just to foam it up is basically some 3D their superwash, and then on top as well we use either Fireball iron burn or we just use Wheel Bright from 3D. Tends to get it off, basically well lubricated with synthetic brushes as well, just to get an overall good job. Here we're just pre-rinsing the Audi R8, just getting it ready. It is sunny, so unfortunately we just have to stick to probably doing half a side. Just with work time, you don't really want suds drying on it, so we'll probably just do half a side, go with the pre-rinse to get all the loose debris off, go with the snow foam to also do the same before we hit it with a contact wash. It is a vinyl wrap. It does have some staining, but not too bad. And we'll hit it with a shampoo wash, rinse it again, dry and towel it, and hit it with a wax, ready for Chrome. Just finished the Auto Stance and now we're going to the Chrome Fest and we're bloody tired. We want to go to bed. Righty, it's a couple days after Chrome. You would have just seen a reveal car. Won't be in this video, it'll be in the next one, so stay tuned for that. What's to come on that, basically with correction work and all that kind of stuff. Just finishing off the video, obviously just got some Taco Bell. Bloody good stuff that. We'll be keeping you guys updated on when we post that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.
like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. See ya.